How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a Mazda CX-90 where we're going to be taking the front door panel off. All you should need is a pick, a plastic pry bar, Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a push pin puller. First things first, we'll go ahead and pop our covers off. You're going to have one behind the door handle, and you're going to have a small one down here underneath the armrest. We'll go ahead and grab our pick, wedge it in there, pry out. That's going to show one of the Phillips head screws. Next, we're going to go behind the door handle. I like to start at the rear, kind of near the lock. Put my plastic pry bar, kind of pop it forward like so. Pull that out. You're going to have another Phillips head screwdriver or screw behind the door handle. And then we're also going to go ahead and take the speaker out as well. So grab your plastic pry bar again. I like to start kind of towards the front. There's a little gap. Pop it like that, come around the front. There it goes. You're going to have one wiring harness. I'll try to get a close-up for this as well. But there's like a little pin on the back. Just grab your pick, kind of stick it on the pin, and kind of pull up, kind of like so. So that'll release the speaker. And then you're also going to have another Phillips behind this cover right here. This is a big cover, but it's honestly pretty easy to remove. It's going to be this big triangle piece right here. But it does kind of slide towards the car. So I like to start towards the front, pop all the way around. Then once you get your fingers behind it, just kind of slide it forward. And you'll kind of see right here, these clips are kind of angled. So whenever you go to put it back in, you'll put it in, slide back, and pop it into place. But you're going to have one more screw up here towards this speaker as well. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and kind of show you guys. So screw behind the door handle, one screw underneath the armrest, and then you're going to have one kind of tucked up here, kind of beside the speaker, kind of deep in this hole right here. Alright, so now we'll just go ahead and remove the 3 screws. When it comes to the 3 screws, one of them is a little bit smaller. If you're curious, that one, where you're going to put the screws back in, is the one that goes behind the door handle. So the 2 bigger ones will go underneath the armrest and beside the speaker. Alright, now that we have the screws removed, now we need to actually pop the clips that go around the door panel itself. You're going to have all these little plastic clips. There's also going to be one kind of weird one up here. Instead of it popping out, we actually slide the door panel up. But I will say on these CX-90s, I've noticed if you can have like spare clips, because whenever I take these off, I tend to break 1 or 2 of them. It seems like it's always the CX-90s, especially these newer ones. This one's for the year. This one's a 2024. But just be mindful that you're probably going to break at least 1 or 2 clips. I take a ton of these off and I still break them myself. They're super tight. But they're all these little plastic clips that kind of go around the edges of the door panel. And then also, once we get to the side over here, these 2 pieces, hopefully you guys can see that, but it kind of comes off differently. So make sure when you're prying on this, you're not pulling the door panel away from this top piece. I'll show you guys that here in a second. We'll go ahead and get it started. Just grab your plastic pry bar, kind of wedge it up, find you a gap, kind of work your way around. Alright, let me grab the camera and show you guys this. Alright, so I already have the bottom propped up, as you guys can see. But once you get over here, see how there's a little gap right here whenever I'm pulling on this? So you want to make sure you're not pulling on the bottom down here, trying to get this part to come undone. So you actually have to grab your plastic pry bar again, stick it in here, and there's going to be a couple more clips going up. I just want to show you guys that, because I've seen some guys breaking these door panels. So be mindful of that. And as for the clips, while you're right here, so there is one that's actually, you can probably save that one. But a lot of times these plastic clips, they don't come out with the door. So you can see that one kind of right there. And actually we got lucky on the other side, the other one came out. But 9 times out of 10, these plastic clips do not come with a door panel. They actually stay in the door. And then I'm going to show you guys this one up top as well. Alright, so we're back over here. Grab your plastic pry bar, just like that. And then pop that around. We already have our speaker up, but obviously make sure your wire is going to be tucked in so you're not pulling on that. And then we're going to wiggle this up. You're going to have, like I said, you're going to have one more clip, so if it's fighting you, it's that clip right here. There it goes. And there's one of the other clips. Alright, so there's the door panel. This is that big clip. Let me grab the camera and get you guys a closer view of that as well. Alright, here's a good shot at that clip. You can actually tell someone took this door panel off before and has tried sliding it on top of this clip. Don't do that. You can, when you go to put the door panel back on, leave the clip in the door and try to slide over top, but I found it a lot easier to actually pop this clip out, put it back on the panel itself right here. Hopefully you guys can see that where my finger's at, and then push the door panel back onto the frame. And then you're gonna have, like the one that flew out over here, you're gonna have one more up here. And you actually should have another one right there. Sorry, I'm trying to show this video off with one hand. As for the wiring harnesses, they're all pretty simple. It's just like a couple of plugs for the speaker. Hopefully I can show you. But they're just your typical, just push pin style. And then also just your typical cable for the door handle. Like I said, the hardest part on this door is actually popping the clips around the door panel. Everything else is fairly simple. Yeah, there you go. That's how you take off the door panel on a Mazda CX-90. Thanks for watching.